is very in these days, not these days means it's in the trend since a very long time, but most of the people try to get keratin treatment on a regular basis, which is very expensive. So today I'll share easiest way to get keratin treatment, and that too using only one product. So you guys must be thinking why I am speaking in English today. Because I watch Big Boss a lot and Sana is my favorite contestant, so I have learned English from her and I think I should also try to speak some English. So that's why my today's video is in English. Kind of English means not 100% English, because we are Indians and Hindi हमारी रगों में बहती है. So it's a kind of English and Hindi video. So if you like this kind of video, do let me know in the comment section below. Let me introduce you the product that I'm going to show you today, guys. It's Trichup Hot Oil Treatment Hair Mask Keratin Damaged Hair. So this is the mask. It retails for rupees 6.99 and we get 500 ml in this tub. As you can see, I have used quite a bit. So what it claims is you have to apply it on your wet hair after you shampoo your hair for 10 to 15 minutes and then wrap your hair in a hot towel and then rinse off. So that's the easiest process to get your hair keratin treated, and it's really good for your hair, your scalp. It contains keratin obviously, so it strengthens your hair and protect it from damaging further. Then it improves hair appearance and reduce split ends. So keratin binds moisture to your hair and improve shine, volume and manageability. Better moisture content in the hair gives increased flexibility and tensile strength. Its lingering delicate fragrance further adds to your crowning glory. So as we all know, our hair are mostly made up of keratin. So when our hair gets damaged, it loses its keratin. That is the reason of damaging our hair. Then we started to get hair fall or breakage, split ends. So these are the main problems. Our hair become rough, dry and unmanageable. So this is the solution for that. So I'll show you how to apply this mask and also give you a mini review of the benefits of this product and how it will change the game of getting your hair keratin treated. So without wasting much time, let's get started. As you can see, there is a lot of product and I have used it many times, so it's full paisa vasool kind of product. So now let's apply it. after effect of the mask. I applied the mask for 15 minutes, as you all guys know, and I haven't straightened my hair or use any straightening iron or something like that, but this is how my hair looks naturally, which is like crazy because I like straight hair most of the time, as you can see on my videos. but straightening your hair on regular basis can damage your hair in a long term, because heat damages your hair. Everyone says it, everyone knows it. So why not, if you can get straight, silky, smooth hair with a mask, means it nourishes your hair, at the same time it straightens your hair. I mean, what else you can ask from the god? So this is the best thing. Trust me guys, if you have believe in me, if you have like ittu sa believe in me, trust me guys, this is the best keratin treatment mask I have used till date, because it makes my hair straight, smooth, silky, and it's so soft. I wish you can touch it and feel it on your own, but it's not possible. So I think it's worth the money, because it retailed for 699, I mean 700 rupees, and it's a huge tub which will last you forever. Agar aapke long hair hai, so I'm not sure, but I have short hair and I know it will last me a very long time, because not much amount is required. Means in starting you need a little more, because your hair is frizzy and all that, but after a few times, after a few weeks, when you started applying it, you need less and less product, so which saves a lot of money, a lot of product, a lot of time. Means you just have to apply it for 15 minutes and that's it. And it contains 0% paraben and silicone, so this is always a good point for your hair products. And it contains mostly herbal products, which is really good. Chemical really damages our hair in a long term. You should ignore chemicals as much as possible. So this is, I think, the great point of this product. You will get keratin treatment, and at the same time it's really safe for your hair and your scalp. On the other hand, if you go to salon or parlor for getting keratin treatments, it's really very expensive. It costs around 2000 to 2500 rupees for just one sitting, which is ridiculous, and it serves your purpose in just 700 rupees for so many months. Means you can calculate the amount it saves. So I think it's a worth trial product, and I leave the link in the description box if you want to check this out. So just go check my description box for that. And I hope you guys enjoyed my today's video. So see you all in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.